Presenting OnePlus Nord CE4 smartphone. It is available in 8GB RAM plus 128GB storage and 8GB RAM plus 256GB storage. It is available in colors dark chrome and celadon marble. It comes with 8GB RAM and 256GB internal storage. It's space for saving evidence of your adventures, with up to 256GB of storage, ROM, and a second SIM card slot that supports micro SD cards for expandable storage up to 1TB. This smartphone has AMOLED display with Aqua Touch and has 120Hz refresh rate and has dazzling durable design. It has Sony lite600 IMX882 50MP camera sensor with OIS ensures that you get more stable and clearer pictures. The Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 chipset not only gives you Nord CE4 silly levels of OnePlus fast and smooth performance. The most powerful fast charging with 100 watts Super VOOC charging and has a 5500 mAh battery which has charged 100% power in 30 minutes. The box contains power adapter, USB cable, phone case and SIM tray ejector. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using UPI, debit, credit card, Amazon Pay, net banking and cash on delivery. For AMI options, replacement policy and further information visit the product detail page. Keep shopping with Amazon.